They're giants. Those fish really are huge. Amazing. $20,034 at the Mirage. Room tour. It's not my room. Oh, it's nice, Mike. Oh, it's nice. This is like the first time when I stayed here the first time, this is what my room looked like. One big king bed. Beautiful.
Perfect.
What do you got? Caesars. Oh, you can see Paris too. Beautiful, dude. Oh, you got a great view.
Nice.
Oh, you can see Rio. There's an empty pool down there. Interstate. Rio. Palms. Caesars is right there.
So all I need
And
is
Paris.
my M-Life card and my phone for the rewards because I've got it in my wallet.
Do you have a card already? Do you have an M-Life card?
Yep. I don't know if it's an old one or a new one.
This is a nice room, dude. It doesn't matter if it's old. They're all the same. Can I see your bathroom? Shitty bathroom. It's alright though. Nice.
Did you stick all your stuff in?
Hi. Right, 25th floor. 2572 is what I'm looking for. Vegas Christmas vlogs. There it is. 2019. Yeah, baby. Put my bag down, find some lights. Beautiful. Bathroom. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Awesome. His and her sinks. Awesome. Nice tub, not jetted, but nice tub. Nice shower. Big stand-up mirror. Right there. All your very expensive goodies. Do not touch. As for that, beauty. One nice big king bed. Look at that. Awesome. I said I don't care. I don't have a preference of bed, one king or two queens. Doesn't matter to me. As long as I got a view. So we'll get over there in just a second. Beautiful. Tons of room here. Big TV. Beautiful. Oh, that looks comfy. Man, have I been walking this trip. Armoire. Ironing board, luggage rack. writing desk, delivery, another matching armoire on that side. You got one there and one there. The safe wasn't in that one, so I would assume it's in this one. No. Nothing but hanging space. Okay, good. Another lamp. Maybe the safe's in one of these. Nope. Okay, maybe there's no safe. Yeah. Sorry, there's gonna be glare. Beautiful. Plazo. Venetian. Oh, I'm as tall as Venetian. This is pretty high up. Harrah's. Hyrola. Nice mountains in the background there. Sorry for the glare. Flamingo. Oh, and you can just see a little bit of the Eiffel Tower. How cool. Very cool. It's gonna look great at night, guys. As always, I'll give a nighttime tour. And there is a pool open here. So I will give a pool tour as well. Pretty surprised there's a pool open. Mirage knows how to do it though. It is December 21st. It is day 3 of my Vegas Christmas vlog. Oh, I should find that safe if there is one. No, there is not. Haha! There it is. Never seen a safe in a drawer. Right on. So that is room tour. I will add in pool and nighttime view. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button. Hit subscribe if you wish. I make Vegas vlogs. Also, avid gardener. And Steelers fan. Let's go Steelers! We'll be in the playoffs if we beat the Jets tomorrow. Bring it on. Pretty cool tonight. The high roller is all lit up in Christmas colors. Green and red. Very cool. Just about to head out. We got a show tonight. I think all 6 of us are going to the show. They say the show is there at Venetian, but I think it's closer to Palazzo. It's in the shopping mall there. I forget what it's called at the present time. Canal? Great Canal Shops? So we're heading to the show. I'll let you know how it goes. Should be fantastic. I've read some reviews and they all say that it's a pretty decent show. Looking smashing. Merry Christmas!